There's been plenty of buzz on investing in cannabis stocks, but what exactly is the current status of the industry? Though cannabis has had a somewhat controversial history, legalization of cannabis has progressed rapidly over the past few years, opening up numerous investment opportunities in the cannabis industry. Currently, Canada, Uruguay, and several U.S. states have legalized both cannabis possession and sales for recreational purposes, with additional states and countries continuing to decriminalize it. Furthermore, cannabis has shown proven therapeutic benefits, leading many countries to legalize it for medical purposes. Section 1. The state of the cannabis industry. The cannabis industry is a complex and constantly evolving landscape. There are regulatory, economic, legal and social challenges to investing in cannabis. In terms of regulation, the industry is still subject to various rules and restrictions in different jurisdictions. Perceptions about cannabis are widely changing towards it being recognized more and more as a legitimate business opportunity. The global cannabis industry has propelled itself beyond just recreational and medicinal applications. Hemp-derived products such as textiles and plastics have further led to the growth of the industry. Cannabis is a rapidly evolving industry, and as such it is important to stay up to date on any changes that occur across different segments. For instance, there are medical and recreational cannabis markets, but also an industrial hemp market that develops products containing CBD. The medical cannabis industry, for example, is expected to show continuous growth due to cannabis being viewed as a treatment option for multiple conditions and ailments. In 2020 alone, 17 more states, including New York, legalized the medical use of cannabis. Another challenge facing the cannabis industry is the high capital requirements. There are extensive costs involved in creating facilities that ensure compliance with necessary standards and regulations. Private equity and venture capital play a major role in cannabis financing. Section 2. Top cannabis companies to invest in. Cannabis companies vary in size, productivity, and the amount of investment required. To choose the right business during your investment plan, analysis on market position, revenues, management, and risk among other factors should be thoroughly examined. One strategy is to invest in companies with a larger market cap, while another is to invest in newer companies with a lot of promise. For example, Canopy Growth Corp. (CGC) is one of the most prominent cannabis companies in Canada. CGC produces, distributes, and markets cannabis and hemp-based products, occupying a major market position within the Canadian market. It is the largest cannabis producers globally by revenue, production capabilities, and market capitalization. Another company to consider investing in is Cronos Group, CRON. Cronos is a global leader in the cannabis industry with a presence in Canada, Germany, Israel, and Portugal. They have a differentiated product mix that includes both THC and CBD-derived products, and are continuously focused on R&D. Section 3. Investing strategies and best practices. When investing in cannabis stocks, it is crucial to develop a sound and well-informed strategy, especially given the relatively volatile and uncertain nature of the industry. As with any investment, it's important to evaluate risks and returns before taking a position. Lack of properly diversified portfolios and concentration in risk can significantly impact investment returns. Given the notorious volatility of the cannabis market, savvy investors will look for companies with a history of better-than-average earnings or that have differentiated product suites and market positions to balance these risks. One of the most crucial aspects of investing in this industry is to ensure that your investments are well diversified. This helps to mitigate overall portfolio risk in case of adverse events in one or more segments of the industry. Additionally, investors should also assess whether the cannabis company they wish to invest in has efficient and effective operations, cost controls, and a competitive position in the marketplace. Conclusion. Investing in cannabis stocks is a relatively new and growing financial sector. The high growth potential and significant risks mean that it's paramount to be well informed before investing in the stocks of cannabis companies. It is essential to have a sound investment strategy, a diversified portfolio, and patience for the long term. Companies like Canopy Growth and Cronos Group are among the most reputable in the industry. With the help of comprehensive research, you can leverage financial gains as the industry continues to grow.